Okay, right now it's time to practice about past continuous tense, right? And just try to practice the way I'm practicing, and after that you need to practice it. Like I was going, I'm যাচ্ছিলাম, I was not going. Also you can say I wasn't going. I wasn't going, আমি যাচ্ছিলাম না. Was I going, আমি কি যাচ্ছিলাম? Wasn't I going, আমি কি যাচ্ছিলাম না? Where was I going, আমি কোথায় যাচ্ছিলাম? Where wasn't I going, আমি কোথায় যাচ্ছিলাম না? Does it make sense? Okay, so next, like he. He was playing, সে খেলছিল. He was not playing, সে খেলছিল না. Was he playing, সে কি খেলছিল? Wasn't he playing, সে কি খেলছিল না? Where was he playing, সে কোথায় খেলছিল? Why wasn't he playing, সে কেন খেলছিল না? So right now, pause the video and try to practice with different types of verbs, different types of subjects. Clear? So I hope it will help you a lot for your practicing for getting the real fluency in English. Thank you and Assalamu alaikum.